Hello everyone. Today we'll go for the exercise number 11.2 in the trigonometry. Okay, go for the first question in the 11.2 exercise, that is evaluate the following question. So what is the first question they have given here? That is sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree. See, this is mainly based on the table. That this table you should know before solving the questions. Okay, this table is very important. So this is the basic uh, angles. These are the standard angles they have given, and values also they have given for each particular ratios. Okay, so just remember this table while doing these problems. Okay, go for the first question, that is sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Okay, here the solution is okay, find out the value of sine 60 degree in this table first. That is sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Put the value root 3 by 2 here into cos 30 degree. Find out the cos 30 degree. Again cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. That is root 3 by 2 in the place of cos 30 degree. Plus is there. Put the plus sign. And sine 30 degree is, that is 1 by 2. Put the 1 by 2 value. And cos 60 degree also 1 by 2. See here, cos 60 degree also 1 by 2. So just remember this table while doing the problems. This table you should know properly. So just simplify this. Multiply the numerator to numerator, that is root 3 divided by 2 whole square. So 2 times it is repeated, so whole square. Plus is there, plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, understood? Okay, now this square we will separate for the numerator and denominator also, and root 3 square will become 3 and 2 square will become 4. Like that, plus is there, plus 1 square will become 1 and the 2 square will become 4. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, you will get the answer 1. So this is the type of the question based on the table. Okay, go for the second question. Just in this one you have to just put the value of those ratios. Okay, and but for particular angle, so put the values and simplify. That's it. Okay, nothing is there in this. The second question also the same thing. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square, take it as square, cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. So in that write it down. 2 tan square 45 degree they have written as tan 45 degree whole square. We can write it this also or this also. Okay, plus is there, put the plus sign. Cos square 30 degree ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, cos 30 degree whole square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Next minus ಇದೆ, minus ಹಾಕಿ sin 60 degree ಇದೆ, so whole square we can write it as. Okay, 2 is there, 2 and tan 45 degree. Check the table. Tan 45 degree value is, see, tan 45 degree value is 1. So they have substituted the 1 in the place of tan 45 degree. The plus is there, plus. So root 3 by 2, that is cos 30 degree value, root 3 by 2, square is there, put the square, and minus is there, put the minus again. The sin 60 degree value is also root 3 by 2, that is whole square. Square is there, you should put the square here. See here, next simplification, what they have done here, the plus root 3 by 2 square and minus root 3 by 2 square will get cancelled. See, this term and this term will get cancelled. You will get the answer 1 in this place. See, plus root 3 by 2 whole square and minus root 3 by 2 whole square will get cancelled and you will get the answer 1 in this place. So 2, that is 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. That is a simple question. Okay. Just go for the third one, that is also same, just a simplification you have to do, and the fourth one also same. We'll explain the fifth one. Okay, third and fourth you should try that. Just put the values of those angles and just simplify. Okay, see here, 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree whole divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay, in this take the 5 outside and cos square 60 degree value we can write it as cos 60 whole square and plus is there, plus. So 4 secant square 30 degree, that is 4 you can write it as, and secant 30 degree whole square. So minus is there, minus tan 45 degree whole square they have taken, like that sin 30 degree whole square and cos 30 degree whole square. The square we had taken up. So next 5 as it is, the cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 and secant 30 degree value is 2 by root 3, that is square is there, square, minus tan 45 degree value is 1, so 1 square. So whole divided by sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2 and cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2, that is square they can take, they have to take. Okay, next step evaluation. So 5, that is 1 square is 1, so 1 into 5 is 5, and this 2 square is 4, like that, plus is there plus, and 4 is there 4, and this one, this apply the square for numerator and denominator both. 2 square will become 4, root 3 whole square will become 3. So minus is there, put the minus sign, and 1 square is 1. Whole divided by 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. Plus is there, plus root 3 square is there, so put the 3 here, divided by, for this square will apply for denominator also, so for this 2 square will become 4. Okay, I think you understood this, and just simplify the next step. So 5 by 4 is there, 5 by 4, and 4 into 4 is 16 divided by 3. This is 4 into 4, 16 divided by 3 minus 1 is there, 1. So whole divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 as it is. See, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 it will become the value 1. Okay, this is quarter, this is 3 by 4th. So then it will become 1. The whole value will become 1. So denominator 1 will be there. So we can neglect that one in the denominator. Okay, 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 is the remaining value. Then we can simplify that by using 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, 4 into 3 is 12. So this is the LCM they had taken, and see, 5 into 3 is 15 and 16 into 4 is 64 minus 1 into 12 is 12. Okay, like this we can simplify, and next step is 15 plus 64 minus 12 is 67 divided by 12. So just apply those values in the question, and you have to simplify those questions. Okay, understood? Okay, go for the next question. Question number 2 in the 11.2 is choose the correct option and justify your answer. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. Which is the correct option, whether it is A, B, C or D. You have to choose it properly. Okay. The first question is, see here, 2 tan 30 degree whole divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So check the question once again. Check the question. 2 tan 30 degree whole divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So which is the correct option? We have to check that. Just put the values of those angles by using this table. Okay, again go for this table and find out the values and put it in this question. Okay, 2 into tan 30 degree. Okay, 2 into tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. Okay, next 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Tan square 30 degree. Only the tan 30 degree is different and tan square 30 degree is different. See, tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. Check this. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. They have taken here 1 by root 2. Take it as 1 by root 3. Okay. Take it as 1 by root 3. Not a root 2. Okay. So now 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 by root 3. So denominator whole divided by 1 plus. So 1 by root 3. This is 3. This is not a 2. This is 3. 1 by root 3 whole square will become 1 by 3. So next step, see, 2 by 3, root 3 is there, 2 by root 3 they have taken, and whole division will become the multiplication. Okay, this division will become the multiplication, and see this denominator, the denominator you will get 3 into 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 3 you will get in the denominator. Simply after simplification, 4 by 3 we will get in the denominator. So after this division we can convert into multiplication. 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. Okay, go for the next step. That is 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Okay, 2 will get cancelled. Here the 2 twos are will come, and this 3 we can take it as root 3 into root 3. 2 times the root 3, here 1 time root 3, and here 1 time root 3 will get cancelled. Another root 3 will be remaining, so another root 3 we have taken here. In the denominator 2 ones are, 2 twos are, so 2 is the remaining value, so we put the value 2, that is root 3 by 2 we can put. So root 3 by 2, obviously check the value root 3 by 2 in this table, which is the value, that is sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, sine 60 degree, and also cos 30 degree also root 3 by 2 is there. Whether it is there or not, we can check this. In this option sine 60 degree is there, nothing is there, cos 30 degree is not there here. Okay, only the sine 60 degree is there, so that is the answer for this question, that is sine 60 degree is the right option, that is option number A is the right option here. That is, you got the answer root 3 by 2. Okay, go for the next question. Second question is also same. You apply the value of tan 45 degree here, and here also tan 45 degree. What is the value we will get? That is 0 degree. So which is the option is 0. The solution D is the correct option. Next type of the question is, check that sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a, whether it is true when a is which angle. Okay, sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a only when the angle a will be 0 degree or 30 degree or 45 degree or 60 degree. We have to check here. Okay, here they have taken the LHS and the RHS separately. See, so check that in the LHS, take the LHS and put the all these 4 values. Okay, LHS and RHS both you have to take. So take the LHS sine 2a. So 2 into 0, that is you have to take the first option 0 here. 2 into 0 is 0. So sine 0 degree you will get, sine 0 degree value is 0. Okay. So next take the RHS value, that is 2 sine a. So in the place of a, first option, that is put the 0 degree. So sine 0 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. So both LHS you got the 0 and RHS you got the 0 value. So both the values are equal when the angle is 0 degree. So next step is no need to check these values, because only for the first option only you got the answer properly. So no need to check the other options though. So the answer is option A. Okay, you got it, I think. Go for the next question is also same. Just apply the values and find out which option it is. Same. Okay. Okay, the next question number third. Okay, so question number third you may get in your exam. Very important question. If the tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, if the a plus b angle, adding the angle a and angle b is within the 90 degree and it should be greater than 0 degree. So less than or equal to 90 degree, or it is greater than 0 degree. So always here a should be greater than b they have given. So a angle should be greater than the angle b. Okay. So find the value of a and b. What they have given, the solution tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Take tan a plus b is equal to root 3 as equation 1, and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 as equation 2. So what they have given here, the root 3. So for the which value of the tan, so convert this root 3 as the tan angle. So check this, for which value of the root 3 tan, the answer is root 3. See here, for the value, for the ratio tan, the value you got root 3. For which angle it is? Angle 60 degree. Okay. Root 3 you got for the angle 60 degree. So that you can write it this root 3 as tan 60 degree. Okay. Instead of root 3 you can write it as tan 60 degree. So here the tan and tan will get cancelled. You will get a plus b is equal to 60 degree. So here once again I will explain, this root 3 you replace with tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. In the both the sides you will get the tan a plus b is equal to tan 60 degree. Right. So this tan and this tan 60 degree, in that the tan will get cancelled. So you will get a plus b is equal to 60 degree as equation 1. Okay, next you take down this one, tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. For which value of the tan, the answer is 1 by 3. So check that. So tan A is there, here 1 by 3 is there, which is this is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So A minus B is equal to 30 degree. So tan A minus B is equal to, here tan 30 degree we can substitute here. Tan 30 degree, tan and tan will get cancelled. So A minus B is equal to tan A minus B is equal to 30 degree you will get. Okay, this is taken as even equation 1 and take this as equation 2. Like this you should simplify. The first step is very important. This root 3 we can substitute here tan 60 degree, and in the 1 by root 3 place we can substitute tan 30 degree. Only the tan you have to take, because the ratio they have given is tan in the LHS. Okay, check the equation 1 and the equation 2. Solve this. So plus b and minus b will get cancelled. Okay, plus b and minus b will get cancelled. A plus a is 2a. Understood this? So add these two equation. B plus b and minus b will get cancelled. You will get a plus a is equal to 2a, and 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. Okay, 2a is equal to 90 degree will get. So a value is obviously a as it is. This 2 will go here and it will become 90 divided by 2. 90 by 2 means 45 degree. Okay, a value will become 45 degree. Substitute the a value 45 degree in the equation 1. Take the equation 1, a plus b is equal to 60 degree. ಆ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 45ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ನ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 60ನ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ನ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 45ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 60 ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 45 ಇರೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 45 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 60 minus 45 is 15. So this is the way you have to calculate the value of the A and value of B. Here value of the A is 45 degree and value of the B is 15 degree. Understood? Value of the A is 45 degree and the value of the B is 15 degree. Okay. Okay, we'll go for the next question in the next session. I hope you got this all the problems in this session. Just remember the this basic table. Okay, thank you.